Decline of the Delhi Sultanate. The decline of the Delhi Sultanate, which encompassed various dynasties including the Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, and Tughlaq dynasty, can be attributed to several factors. Invasions and external threats. Delhi Sultanate faced constant invasions and threats from external forces. Mongols, led by Genghis Khan and his descendants, launched several invasions in the 13th and 14th centuries, causing significant damage to the empire. These invasions disrupted the stability of the Sultanate and weakened its military and administrative capacities. Revolts and internal conflicts. The Sultanate experienced numerous revolts and internal conflicts, which strained its political stability and weakened the central authority. Disgruntled nobles, regional governors, and local chieftains often rebelled against the Sultanate's rule, seeking to establish their own power bases. These internal conflicts further fragmented the empire and undermined its unity. Economic and financial challenges. The Sultanate faced economic challenges, including financial mismanagement, inflation, and a decline in trade. The policies of some rulers, such as Muhammad bin Tughlaq's introduction of token currency, had a detrimental effect on the economy. The Sultanate also struggled to maintain efficient revenue collection, which affected the treasury and the administration's ability to support military campaigns and infrastructure development. Regional fragmentation. Over time, various provinces and regions within the Delhi Sultanate started to assert their autonomy and break away from central control. Powerful regional kingdoms, such as the Yemeni Sultanate in the Deccan and the Vijayanagar Empire in South India, emerged and challenged the authority of the Delhi Sultanate. This regional fragmentation weakened the Sultanate's hold over vast territories. Rise of new dynasties. The decline of the Delhi Sultanate was accompanied by the rise of new dynasties and powers. The Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty emerged as contenders for power in the late 14th and early 15th centuries. Eventually, the Lodi dynasty overthrew the last ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, Ibrahim Lodi, in 1526, leading to the establishment of the Mughal Empire under Babur. These factors, along with others, contributed to the gradual decline and fragmentation of the Delhi Sultanate. The empire's inability to address these challenges and maintain centralized authority eventually led to its downfall and the rise of new powers in the Indian subcontinent.